If you're experiencing frame stuttering while playing League of Legends, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve performance. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings. Go to the settings menu in League of Legends and reduce the quality of textures, shadows, and effects. This can help reduce the load on your system and minimize stuttering. Step 3. Close background applications. Shut down any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and cause frame drops. Use the task manager to close these applications before launching the game. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can lead to lag and stuttering. If possible, use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi and check for any network issues that may be affecting your gameplay. Step 5. Disable VSync and enable game mode. Turn off VSync in the game settings to reduce input lag. Additionally, enable game mode in Windows settings to prioritize gaming performance. This can help allocate more resources to League of Legends and improve frame rates. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate frame stuttering in League of Legends. If the problem persists, consider checking your hardware specifications or seeking further technical support. Happy gaming!